ground. Yummy veggies all around. Healthy, tasty, good for you. Veggies make you strong, it's true. In the garden, onions grow, playing hide and seek below. Pull the green tops, give a tug, find the onion, give a hug. Plant in May, dig in the fall. Potatoes are the best of all. Such a big and yummy crop. Get your spoon and let's not stop. Garlic clove so small and strong. In the soup it won't take long. Smell the fragrance in the air. Keeps the germs away, take care. Leaves so crunchy, crisp and green. Cabbage is the garden queen. Layer after layer grows. That's the way a cabbage goes. Sweet and crunchy, orange bright. Hiding from the morning light. Find the red side in the ground. Pull the tail up round and round. Grandma loves to share. Radishes are everywhere. Red and bright and small and round. Pretty veggies from the ground. Underneath the soil deep, beetroot loves to sleep and sleep. Mom puts beet in borscht so red. Healthy veggies, that's what's said. Cucumber is growing fast. Summer crunch that's meant to last. Give it water, watch it grow. Long and green from head to toe. In the greenhouse warm and bright. Tomato ripens in the light. Juicy, tasty, red and round. In the salad, it's renowned. Day by day upon the bed. Bell pepper grows, it's bright and red. Yellow, orange, which side's here? Hop and jump, it's garden cheer.